As this is a listening examination, it's very important that you have the right words to describe what you hear and that you also understand what they asked you in the examination. I love doing the Dr. Smith method with my students because it enables them to write and explain what they hear in the examination. Now, if I do the Dr. Smith method and I come to D, I know that in Japanese music I've got descriptive titles. The music sounds like program music. The R, the music is widely respected. So music as a form is widely respected and plays an important role in court ceremonies. That's the gagaku music, the theatre and puppet plays. I've got the short playing in the background and you can hear it's quite formal. The rhythm is free. Percussion instruments outline strong points in the music. So the rhythm is free. I can't force that into bar lines the way that I have music in the Western society. Structure, yo, ha, kyo. I've done that in the previous video. So if you haven't seen the part 1, go back to the part 1 and just work through the yo, ha, and kyo. This is quite important if one of the questions reads that you have to explain what happens when a second instrument enters. Maybe there is a change in the structure. And it's through composed. Okay, so the structure is through composed. I do not have a string of, I have a string of new ideas. I don't have repetitive melodies. Singing, if you hear singing with it, the singing is high-pitched. I have pitch bending and I have melismatic singing. The scale, one of the questions can be about the scale, pentatonic scale. In the previous video I did the Rio and the Ritsu scale, but your answer will be it's a pentatonic scale. So I've got Dr. S. Smith, next one M. Melodic parts seem to start at different times and come together only at cadences. Cadence points, music performance, lots of technique, pitch bending, trills, ornaments and slides. One of the questions can be, how do you know this is Japanese music? Then you can say about the singing that's high-pitched, or you hear trills, you hear ornaments, you hear slides. Melody is flowing, programmatic music, and I have vocal music. Monophonic in nature. In the background you hear only one instrument playing, it can be monophonic. Okay, observe minute tones. The meter, usually duple meter, but my rhythm is still free. Now the influence is by the Chinese, the Indian, Indonesian and Korean music. In my instruments I hear pitch bending and I hear vibrato. Imperial court music, gagaku music, describes scenes, stories and or individuals, notated and memorized. I don't have any improvisation. In lots of other world music that you study, we read about improvisation, that it's up to the soloist to perform what they want to. This is not the case. So you know the D now, you know the R, the S, the M, the I. Let's now go to the T. T, the music is through composed. I have a succession of new ideas and no repetition of recognized material. Delicate timbres. If you listen to your gagaku music, you will hear it's really delicate in timbre, in the tone color. The tempo remains steadily throughout. So even if I have the sections, the yo and the ha and the kyu, it's the note values that becomes faster, not the music. Okay. Theatre, kabuki is for all the people. No is the classical drama. Bunraku is the puppet theatre. The texture, heterophonic. Heterophonic means that I have instruments playing the same melody, but they interpret it on their own way. Very important is that I do not have any chordal harmony, that it's heterophonic, and I have two scales. So I don't have instruments forming a chord, and my scale harmony that I have there is the Rio and the Ritsu. Now I have included here a previous question on Japanese music. That was in the IGCSE paper May-June 2014. Now the question was, name the two instruments that are heard in the extract. You know, you have the koto, it can be the shakuhachi, or it can be the sho. Okay, and that was for 2 marks. So the answer that year was the koto. Allow the zheng, where we know that it sounds like the Chinese zheng. Shakuhachi, allow woodwind, blown pipe, flute, bamboo pipe, dizi, tichu, shao. So you have lots of possibilities. But I'm sure that you will be able to say that this is the koto and the shakuhachi. How does the music change when the second instrument enters? Now this is where the Dr. Smith will help you a lot. It's faster, louder, more metrical. The koto plays an accompaniment, sometimes a decorated version, heterophonic. The shakuhachi has the melody. So we're going to listen to an example and see how you can identify what you need to write there. What type of scale is used by the second instrument? We know that the scale in Japanese music is pentatonic. Where does this music come from? Japan. Name the two instruments that are heard in the extract. We hear the koto. Okay. Let's hear whether we hear a second instrument coming in. And there we have the shakuhachi. How does the music change when the second instrument enters? You hear that the shakuhachi takes over the melody, and the koto plays an accompaniment. It doesn't go faster, it doesn't sound louder, this one, but I can hear it's more structured. So I'm sure that you will be able to say which instrument plays the accompaniment and which one has got a decorated version. You hear that they play the same music over and over. Okay, so it's heterophonic. They have the melody that they share. Which type of scale is used by the second instrument? Okay, pentatonic. If they ask you about a scale, most of the times the answer will be pentatonic. Where does this music come from? Japan. That's why in the examination they give you a few times to listen to this. Listen to the extract so that you can identify, even if you said it's the dizi here, that when you realize this is actually from Japan, that you can change your answer. So in the examination, they can ask you Japanese music for 6 marks. They can also ask you the region. I know that Japan is part of Asia, so they can ask you from what region does this music come from. Okay? They can ask you the texture, and I know that the texture is heterophonic. Okay? They can also ask you what makes you say that this instrument or this music is from Japan. Then you can bring in that the music sounds descriptive. that the music is through composed, that I hear the yaw and the ha and the kiu. So all these things that you have studied in these 2 pages, you can bring in with the Dr. Smith method, but you must be able to understand what they ask you. Name the 2 instruments. It can also be 1 instrument. So it can either be the sho, it can be the shakuhachi, it can be the koto. They usually ask a change. What changes? Okay? You usually ask a scale or a rhythm or a texture, and then they ask specifically where this music comes from or the region. Now, I also have a list here that will help you to do the change question. Listen out for tempo. Does the tempo go faster or slower? Now we know although it is sounds faster, it's actually the note values that becomes faster or slower. Listen out for dynamics. Listen whether the music goes softer or louder when the second instrument enters. Listen out for the structure. Maybe the first instrument plays in a very free rhythmical sense, and that you can hear when the second instrument enters that the music sounds more structured. Listen out for accompaniment and melody. Maybe when the first instrument plays, that instrument has the melody, and when the second instrument enters, second instrument takes over the melody and the first instrument plays an accompaniment. Also tries to explain and describe the kind of accompaniment. Maybe it's plucked, maybe it's glides or arpeggios. Try to describe the accompaniment as well. And also a texture thing. When I have 1 instrument playing, I know that that's monophonic in texture, and when the second one enters, maybe it's heterophonic, maybe they share the same melody, or maybe the texture is homophonic, where the one takes over the melody and the other one only has an accompaniment. So I'm sure that if you work through these points, that you will get 2 out of 2 for this question. I always tell my students, do not write down what you do not hear. So do not study the Dr. Smith method like a parrot and now you try to fit in all your knowledge. The answer only relates to the question here. So if it's faster, you write faster. If you do not hear that, do not write that. If it does not go louder or softer, do not write that. But you will definitely find 2 things to write here. But do not try to incorporate all the things that you know. Okay, because this is a listening question paper and you must only write down the things that you hear with that example. Good luck with your studies, and I'm sure that this will help you a lot.